What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tuned Engines, and today I'm going to be showing y'all a new project truck. Alright guys, so this is our 62C10. We actually got it back like in February, but I'm going to tell you what happened in a bit. Alright guys, as y'all can tell, if you look in here, there is no engine in here. And there's a reason for that. So when I actually went to go buy the truck, like it was all the way like over there in San Antonio, and I'm from Austin. So I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and like buy it and drive it back because the guy said it was working and running. Well, anyway, like I test drive it, I like it. Then I'm like, okay, I like this truck. I like how it looks, like it's in pretty good condition. So I ended up buying it, and as soon as I start driving it, like I'm only like 10 miles out from San Antonio. I look back in the rearview mirror and I see a bunch of oil spilling out. So then like I get scared. I'm like, oh shoot, the truck is gonna break down. Oh no. So then I go ahead and stop, and I went and I opened up the engine. Like there's a bunch of oil everywhere, and it was because of this. This is the oil cap. This is the only thing it had, and like it wasn't sealing right. So this is what caused the engine to break down. So anyway, I go ahead. I start driving again. I fill up I put more oil in it. And like it starts just getting worse and worse, and at this point I'm just trying to get to my house so I can bring it and see what's wrong with it. Well, anyway, I'm about to get to Austin when all of a sudden like the truck just breaks down and a bunch of smoke comes out, and that's when I knew that the truck was busted. So like it starts and everything, but you can hear a bunch of like noise in there, like the internals are all fried up, something's broken in there. So actually go ahead and play a video of it. And then we're gonna be putting a 350 engine in it. Alright guys, so you might be wondering what type of engine this truck had before. It's actually a 283 small block engine. It's the exact same as a 350, it's just that it has smaller pistons. But it's the same platform and the same block. And guys, the reason why this engine broke is because it had too much crank pressure, which was causing the oil to spill out from the oil fill cap, which caused it not to have any more oil. But yeah guys, so as you can see, it needs a little bit of work. We're going to go ahead and fix up everything. Fix up all these places. And actually make this truck look way more cooler. Alright guys, and this is how it looks, by the way. This is how the bed looks, but don't mind that. That's all like stuff from this truck we've been moving. That's the old bumper from the green truck. But we're actually gonna go ahead and take off this ugly piece of siding or plywood, and we're gonna put some diamond sheet metal. We were thinking about putting wood, but I think we're probably gonna put some diamond sheet metal instead. With the wood for the white truck, we always struggle. Like it always loses color. Like we try like staining it all the time, but I think we're gonna go ahead and put some diamond sheet metal. See if like make it look a little bit more cooler. But yeah, this is how the back of the truck looks. Alright guys, so this truck is an automatic, but it's really cool because like for example, like park is all the way back here, then like drive is like all the way down here, so it's pretty cool. But this is how it looks. It's not in bad condition. It's actually really good, and everything works on, or everything used to work on it. All the electrical works on it, just not the engine. So guys, like we're gonna go ahead and go pick up the engine. My friend, the one helping me with the clutches, is gonna sell it to us. So he's selling us a 350, by the way, a 350 engine, V8 small block, and we're gonna go ahead and install in this truck. But yeah, let's go pick up the engine. Alright guys, so this is a 350 small block Chevy we're gonna be putting in the truck, but it has a bunch of stuff we gotta take off. So we got to take off the manifolds, we got to take off the pressure plate because this truck used to be in a standard transmission truck. We're going to take off the alternator, the AC, and some other small stuff that we won't need, because the other truck doesn't even have power steering, by the way. So alright guys, so this is the 350 engine. Right now we're just taking it off, and this is just like a little glimpse or preview of the next video. We're gonna be doing all that, and as you can see, we got like a bunch of stuff out, but this is all gonna be in the next video. And we're also gonna be painting the engine block so it can look way more cooler. And before you know it, this engine it's gonna be inside the truck, and it's gonna be making way more power, so it has bigger displacement, and it's gonna sound way more cooler. But yeah, this is how a little glimpse of the next video. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it if you like what you see, and make sure to stick around for the next video to see how the engine swap turns out. Alright, see you guys.